So in this video, I will be building a rail, wooden rail, to go across here to protect the paint and give it a better look. Okay, so now I'm just going to set the angle of my saw up to where I need to cut. And I think it's going to be at 45. Try this angle on a scrap piece of wood. So now I'll match up this angle and see if it's the same. And it is. Well, yep, that'll work. So now we're just going to chop this piece. Close enough. So now that should go up against the wall and come down, and we'll have a square edge. And then we'll take the round over bit and round that over later. So now that we made that cut, we'll go ahead and slide it up and see how it fits. Perfect. So now we are ready to round over the edges on the router. Okay, so I'm just going to round over this edge, and always remember to wear safety glasses. Set the depth. Lock it in place, and here we go. So now that we have done that, and by the way, I have this router table, but the router that I have right there does not fit in it, so I have to wait till I get the Bosch router, or a different type of router that says that it will fit in. So now that we have that, and that feels pretty good, I'll clamp it, and rotate it around, point it back down. Otherwise, I definitely would be using the router table because it would be a lot quicker. Right now I don't have the money to buy the router, but I'll get it as soon as possible. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and round over that edge. I'm not going to do the bottom. That wouldn't look very good because then it won't have a good seal. Or actually, yes, it will, because it won't be touching the flip it over. And this side, clamp it back down again. Okay, and just do this side now. Okay. Rotate it again. And please like and subscribe. I'm new to YouTube, and I don't think I have any subscribers right now. But I haven't been on very long, so that explains it. Okay, then I'll just wrap this side. And unplug the tool and make sure you have all the size that you need. Okay. Unplug the power tool. And now I will show you locating the studs, marking it, and getting ready to put it on. I think I'm going to use dowels. So now I'm just going to drill out these holes for the dowels. I have a total of 8 holes. For those that don't know why I back out, it saves the bits longer and drills faster. And I learned that from Matthias Wandel on his videos. So look him up. It's Matthias or Matthias Wandel. He's really cool. I love his videos. They inspire me a lot. He's very smart. You got a little tear on the back, but that doesn't matter because you won't see it. Okay, so now I'll just take the bit out and we'll go put it in the drill and drill those holes. So now I'll go ahead and drill the holes. That was close. Okay, now we'll drill them all the way through. And this is going to make quite a mess. hope this works. Let me go grab a hammer. Okay, let's try out. Oh boy, I'm scared. Hope this fits. So far, these pretty good. One down. Two down. Forgot to put glue on it. But who cares? Anyways, my glue is frozen. Well, four down. These rubber mounts so don't leave marks on the wood. Okay. This one's a little offset. I'll drill down out later. Well. This one's a little offset too. I gotta quickly drill this out. One more. Okay, let's try it out. Perfect. It looks pretty dang sweet off too. Now just a little sanding, and hopefully that should stay on. Well, maybe. A little loose down here. Nobody should be ripping it off. That's a little bit loose. Maybe I'll have to put a couple. Yeah, I could do that. Put a screw in the middle of each and then put a dowel plug in it. I think I'm going to do that. Be right back. Okay, so now I got my drill and my impact driver, and I'm just going to put screws in the middle of the dowels. One down. Two down. Oh, not yet. Now two down. That's loud. Three down. Sand all that off later. Okay, well that's all of them. Must be sweet. Here, I can bring around the camera, take a better view at it. Looks awesome to me. So you got those dowels in there, and then the screws in the middle. That's pretty. It holds on pretty good. So thanks for watching, and I hope I gave you some advice.